What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you'll be changing out your windshield wipers on a Chevy Equinox. It's probably the same from about the 2017 to about the 2021. It's pretty simple. You just want to pick up your windshield wipers. You'll come up underneath here. You'll have like a little push tab that you just push in, and when you do that, you press down on the windshield wipers. That's what I pressed in right there. That little push tab, I just basically pressed it in and then pull it down. When you put your new ones on, you just want to tilt it like that, and then you just want to come over top that the J hook right here, come over top of it, put it over top of it like that, and just pull it up like that. Make sure it's nice and secure, and you'll be done. Alright, folks, once again, this is how you would change out your windshield wipers on a 2018 to 2021 Chevy Equinox. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.